Hello, and welcome to Practical Cybersecurity. I'm James, and I'd like to take a guess at why you're here. You're here because you're interested in cybersecurity, and you've probably watched some videos and seen some people online tell you how easy it is and follow my 5 steps to make your environment more secure. And you probably found out pretty quickly that there's going to be 20 steps in that person's video, and it's going to take you 4 hours, and they didn't tell you that you were actually on step 30 of 45, and they didn't record the first 20 steps. And that sucks. So, what we're here for is practical tips on cybersecurity, how to actually deploy these in day to day activities, how to protect your current environment, how to bolster your current security defenses, and how to improve your current processes. Are you trying to protect your business? Are you trying to improve your technology skills? Are you just curious about some things that are happening day to day? Well, if that sounds like you, then you've come to the right place. Enjoy my content, and I look forward to talking to you all in the next video.